Hello, welcome to MAT142, College Mathematics. My name is Kelly Devaney. I'll be your instructor for the course. Now you have signed up for an accelerated 8-week version of this class. Now I don't know if that makes you smart or crazy. Smart because you get the class done in half the amount of time. A little bit crazy because you have to get a whole class done in half the amount of time. But I know if you're willing to work hard for the next 8 weeks, we'll have a great time and you'll be successful in the course. I do want to let you know that this college mathematics class is a non-STEM based class, meaning that if you're going into anything where you need a little bit more math like college algebra 150 or 151, trigonometry, calculus, any of those higher math classes, this is probably not the right class for you. This class is typically one of your last math classes that you have to take in maybe nursing, elementary ed. You might have to take a stats class, but you are on more of a non-STEM major track. So make sure that you're in the right class so you don't waste time and money, but welcome. Now this is a hybrid class where I would describe it as an online class with in-person support. You'll be learning all your material online. And now I know that seems kind of scary, but I have tried to make this seem like we were in person together, where I have created note packets for each section that we will cover, and I have created personal videos with me teaching you the information, just like if we were in class together. What's nice about the online part is that you get to learn the material when it's convenient for you. You can listen to the videos over and over again as many times as you need to make sure that you're understanding the information. Now, in addition to the online, we will be together a couple days a week if you need any help with the material that you're learning on your own. So a little bit of extra help if you need it. Now, this class I would describe as a hodgepodge course. It's not like your typical math class where you learn chapter 1 and then chapter 2 builds on chapter 1's material and it gets harder and harder as we go. This class is more of a hodgepodge of information. We're going to learn 5 units of study, and each one of those units is totally independent from the other. So what's nice is they don't really relate, so you might like one unit more than the other. There might be more challenging units and easier units, but all 5 of them are a little bit different. We're going to learn set theory, we're going to learn a unit on probability, a unit on statistics, a unit on finance, and then a unit on geometry and unit conversion. You can kind of read through the description of the course, look at the course competencies and all the things that we're going to learn in these quick 2 months together. But what I wanted to do in this video is highlight the required course material. The most important thing that you're going to need for this class is MyMathLab software access code. MyMathLab is the computer program that we're going to use to do all of our homework, to review for exams, and to even take our assessments. So it's really important that you get a MyMathLab account. You sign up as soon as possible so that you're ready to go for when we start learning the information. You do not need to purchase a hard copy of the textbook because within MyMathLab there is an electronic version of the textbook that you can use to look through the chapter, to look through examples. There's lots of extra resources within the MyMathLab program to help you throughout the course. Extra videos, extra practice problems, stuff like that. Now, access to MyMathLab must be purchased online directly through Canvas, at least for the first time, using a link in Canvas labeled My Lab and Mastering. There's another video tutorial showing you how to register for MyMathLab, but it's really important that you go through MyMathLab for the first time in Canvas. I've put a link in Canvas to get to MyMathLab so that the 2 courses are connected. If you try to go to mymathlab.com, it will ask you for a course ID, and we do not have a course ID. So you have to get to MyMathLab through Canvas for the first time. After that, you can get to MyMathLab however you choose, but we need to make sure that those courses link together for the first time. Like I said, there is more information and even a video tutorial in the Week 1 Start Here module to help you get started with MyMathLab. Like I said, MyMathLab will be used to do all of our assignments and assessments. So MyMathLab access is mandatory, and I suggest you get access as soon as possible. Now, you must have access to MyMathLab by the first Wednesday of the course. Any student without access by the first Wednesday of class will be withdrawn from the course. We'll start learning right away. You'll have homework due right away, so it's really important that you get into MyMathLab as soon as possible, Wednesday at the very latest. Now, I know some of you might not have the funding available right away, so there is a 14-day free access that you can access MyMathLab right away so that you don't have to worry about due dates and homework. You can get in there right away, get started on your assignments, and then within those 14 days, you will need to purchase the permanent access code. But that'll allow every student to have access to MyMathLab by Wednesday of week 1, so you can continue on with the course with us. If you have any questions on MyMathLab, let me know. But remember, please get to MyMathLab for the first time using the MyLab and Mastering link in Canvas. If you need anything, let me know.